Good morning, everybody. My name's Emma Green from Green CDL, a company offering cyber data protection consultancy, training and legal services. I'm joined today on this webinar by our in-house data protection and cybersecurity lawyer, John Green, who has some very important breaking news. So, John, what has happened today?
Well, yes, thanks, Emma. Yes, an important decision from the Court of Justice of the European Union has been released today regarding transferring personal data from the EU to the US. Previously, an organisation could transfer personal data freely to the US if the organisation in the US has signed up to Privacy Shield, as the European Commission had deemed this as what is known as adequate. And in the case of Data Protection Commissioner versus Facebook Ireland and Maximilian Schrems, the Court of Justice has today invalidated that scheme, which means any organisation relying upon Privacy Shield to allow them to transfer personal data to the US now need to immediately reevaluate the situation and look at implementing an appropriate safeguard.
But this isn't the first time it's happened, is it?
No, actually, a very similar thing happened back in 2015, which ironically also involved Max Schrems, when the predecessor to Privacy Shield, something called Safe Harbor, was also invalidated, and that left organisations scrambling to implement alternative safeguards. And this actually left a lot of organisations exposed, and some large corporations were fined for continuing to rely upon the Safe Harbor mechanism, such as Adobe and Unilever.
So an important decision indeed. So what will organisations now need to do if they rely upon Privacy Shield?
Well, what they must do, they must now look at immediately putting a safeguard in place. And one of those can be in the form of a very specifically worded contract, which we've got vast experience in preparing for our clients. But organisations may not actually realise they're relying upon Privacy Shield when they use such services, such as MailChimp or Adobe.
Thanks, John. So if you're transferring personal data to the US, please don't hesitate to contact us for advice. And don't forget, if you want to keep up to date with the latest cybersecurity and data protection news, subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/GreenCDL. Thanks, John.
Thank you.